Okay, good morning class. You guys had some homework? Morning. The homework was whole numbers, skill 10, and that was on page, sorry? Which page was that on? 16. Okay. You had to do the odd numbers. No, the even number. The first answer, number 2. 335. Number 4. 51. Are you all marking, no? Catherine, you did the work? You're in front? You did the work? Sorry? You didn't? In a separate book. Why are you doing a separate book? No, now is a separate book. Take it out, mark it. Number 6. 107 is correct. Number 8. 23. Number 10. 144. Okay. Was there any problems with those sums? Any of those sums you want me to do on the board? Yes, my girls. Number 10. What did you get? Okay, let's check number 10. Okay. So according to Bodmas, what must be done first? So there's brackets here, we have multiplication, we have addition. Okay, so the brackets must be done first. So it's going to be 6 times, as the brackets stand for multiplication. 2 plus 6 is 8 plus 9 is 17 minus 4 is 30 plus, I can say 2 times 6 plus 6 times 9. I could have multiplied 2 and 6 and 9 as well at this point. Okay? So I'm going to do at this point now multiplication. 13 times 6. 6 times 3 is 18, carry 1, 678. 2 times 6 is 6 times 9 is, so 78 plus 12 is 90, and 90 plus 54 is 4 plus 0 is 4, 9 plus 5 is 1. Where did you go wrong, Michael? You didn't get 13. What did you get? You said?
I said 6 times 3 is 78.
6 times 3?
No, 6 times 13
yes?
is 78, and I said plus 2 is times 6.
Oh, but then you see, you weren't applying the golden rule of Bodmas. Okay? Anything else? Yes, Michael?
Number 6.
Number 6. So again, in the Bodmas here, we have brackets. Okay, addition and subtraction. So we'll have 12 as a bracket stand for multiplication. 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 9. 14 minus 5 is 9. Plus 2 minus 3. Okay, so we still need to sort out this multiplication here. 12 times 9. 12 times 9. 9 times 2 is 18, carry 1. 9, 10. 108. Plus 2 minus 3. So what's 108 plus 2? 110 minus 3? Where did you go wrong, Michael?
Instead of saying 9, I said 8. By 2 plus 3 plus 9 minus 5.
So you made the mistake here. Okay, so you add incorrect. Okay. Then I gave you whole number extension. Out of whole number extension, I gave you number 1. A. So the answer to A is 20. Then I gave you B. The answer is 22. Then I gave you D. The answer which is 9. The next one? F. The answer which is 40. And then H. The answer is 4. Number 2. In number 2, the question was, let's in descending order. I gave you only C to do. So it's going to be 55, 54, 50, 48, 47, 45, 40, 36, 34, 21, 19, 18 and 14. Yes. 2B. Okay, no problem. It's fine. 2B. For those of you who did 2C, they were the answer to 2C. 2B. 201. 54. 52. 49. 47. 44. 15. 12. 11. 10 and 9. Okay. Then I gave you number 3 as well. Yes. Now which question number 3 did I give you to do? Oh, it is the whole question. Okay, so what's the answer to A? 55. B? 16,500 milliliters. Or 16.5 liters. So either or would be acceptable. It's either 16,500 milliliters or 16,5 or 16 and a half liters. 3C? 1,600 grams, or if you convert that to kilograms, what would that be? How many grams are there in a kilogram? 1,000. So if it's 1,650 grams, so how many kilograms would that be? 1.65 kilograms. Okay. Either or, you get the correct, you get the mark for that. Was there any issues with regards to these sums I gave you yesterday? Was there any problems? No. For homework, I would like you guys to do from the whole number extension. You're taking the homework, no? So you must write the whole number extension on page 19. I want you to do number 4, A, D, E, A, D, E. Number 5, A, B. Number 6, A, C. And number 7. Did you write that down? Okay. Are you all okay with that? Yeah. When I give you like number 7 is the whole thing. Yes, Michael?
So can you please what you must do by number 5? Is it
The girl that took it down will now put it in the group. Are you in the maths group? You all okay with that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Am I giving you too much homework? Huh? No. Okay. Then we went on to number. What's this? Number theory. Correct. I gave you skills 1. From the practice, I gave you skills 1 and skills 2. Correct. But in skills 1, I gave you only the odd numbers to do. Is that right? So the factors of 18. Is that the first one, no? The factors of 18 is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. For number 3, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21 and 42. Is that correct? Number 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 27, 36, 54 and 108. Number 7, 139. Number 9, 1, 2, 23, 46. Number 11, 1, 2, 3, 6. Number 13, 1, 3, 7, 21. Number 15, 1, 5, 25. 17, 1, 2, 11 and 22. For number 19 is 1, 11 and 1, 21. Number 21. For 21. Or the common factors. So the common factor is going to be 1 and 2. Okay. Number 23. 1, 2, 7 and 14. Number 25. 1, 3, 9. Number 28. 1 and 2. Sorry. 27 is 1 and 5. Number 29, 1. Number 31, 2. Now we're finding the highest common factor, no? Number 33 is 2. 35, 2. Why are you not marking, Michael? Didn't you do your homework? Didn't I must mark you? Number 37, 3. Number 39, 3. Was there any issues with skills 1? Anything you want me to explain on the board there? No. Then I gave you skill 2, which is your prime number question. Okay. So the question says select the prime numbers from the set. Okay. So the prime numbers are what? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 47, 51, not 51. 17 goes into 51, and 3 goes into 51. Okay? So the next one is 53 then? 59. Then? 61 and? 63. 67, sorry. 67. Question 2. List the first 10 prime numbers. 2, 5, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23 and 29. Did I say selected from that group? No. They just say list the first 10 prime numbers. That is why we got, that's why we listed 17. Although 17 is not part of that given set. This is independent of that set. They didn't say list the first 10 prime numbers from the above numbers or from the above set of numbers. Does it make sense?
Mr. Bodin?
Yes, miss?
You have 8 A's with you.
Yes, I do.
I have a new learner starting. Can you send one of the girls to come and fetch her, please?
Farah, go. Okay, for the office. Right. Okay, so the question says, why is the number 1 not a prime number? Yes, Michael.
1 can only be divided by one number, 1 itself, therefore it is not a prime number.
Good. So a prime number has 2 factors, 1 in itself. 1 has only 1 factor, which is 1. Okay, nice. Okay, so at this point, you guys know what a composite number is. Not so. So for homework, I want you guys to do skills 3. And skills 3 is on page 29. So let's look at skill 4.
Skills 3, page 29.
Yeah.
Odd, even, or
There's no odd and even numbers. It's all the same. So now we're going to look at prime factors. Skills 4 on page 21. Prime factors. Morning. How are you doing? Good, good. Welcome. What's your name? Please welcome. Okay, so I'm going to do the first one. He says list the prime factors of the following. Okay. So what are the factors of 32? 1, 2, 4.
Six.
It can't be 6.
8.
8, yes.
9.
16. And 32. 1 times 2, 16. 4 times 8. Okay, yes, that's correct. So what are the prime factors of 32? It's only 2. Because from that list of numbers given there, or from all the factors given there, the only prime factor, the only prime number from the list of factors is 2. So therefore 2 is the only prime factor. You guys understand?
Yes, sir.
Do it for 16 and then 24. The project, ne? Okay, so what are the factors of 16? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So what are the prime factors of 16? 2. What are the factors of 24? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. So what are the prime factors of 24? 20. Are you all okay with that? And then of 50? For 50, what are the prime factors? What is the factors of 50? 1, 2, 5, 10, 25, and 50. I'm missing something. No. Okay? So what are the prime factors for 50? 2 and? Are you all okay with that? Alright. Let's look at multiples. Also on page 21. Okay. So what is the multiples of 2? The question says list the first 4 multiples. 2, 4, 6, and 8. So in the exam, they ask you to list the first 4 multiples of 2 for argument's sake, and you go to, and you include 10. You will lose a mark, okay? Number 2, the multiples of 3. What's the multiples of 3? 3, 6, 9, 12. Number 3, the multiples of 7. 7, 14, 21. Number 4, the multiples of 9. 9, 18, 27. Okay, is there any confusion here? This is still skill 5, page 21, page 22. Okay. So the question says list the second 4 multiples of 2. So the second 4 multiples of 2, we've got 2, 4, 6, 8. So it's going to be 10, 12, 14, 16. Multiples of 3. This is now number 5, number 6. So it's going to be 15, 18, 21, 24. Of 7. It's going to be 35, 42, 49, 56. You guys get the idea? For 8, the multiples of 9, the second 4 multiples. 45, 54, 63, 70. Okay, are you all okay with that? Okay. Okay, so we've got to the end of the page here. Then it says find the lowest common multiple of. The lowest common multiple, also known as the LCM, is on page 22. So the LCM of 6 and 8. So what we do is we find the multiples of 6 and the multiples of 8. What are the multiples of 6? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, and so on. Okay? If needed, we will carry on. The multiples of 8, 8, 16, 24, 32, and that's it. Enough for it. As you can see, what is the LCM? The lowest common multiple. 24. So therefore the LCM is 24. You guys understand? Okay, let's look at number 10. We need the multiples of 2, the multiples of 4, the multiples of 6. Alright. What is the multiples of 2? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and so on. Multiples of 4? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and so on. Multiples of 6? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, and so on. So what's the smallest number that goes into all? 12. Okay. So therefore the LCM is going to be. Okay, you guys understand? Any confusion? So for homework, I would like you guys to do skills 4, the odd numbers, page 29, and skills 5, the odd numbers, on page 29 as well. Okay. Then we went on to some Bodmas, correct? You had to do worksheet 3. Worksheet 3, you had to do the even numbers, correct? So number 2's answer is 16. 60. Okay, 60. Number 4, 4. Michael, bring me your book. Let me see your book. Okay, number 6, 3. Number 8, 17. Number 10, 2. Number 8, 17. Number 12, 1. Number 14, 4. Number 16, 20. Any questions you want me to explain on the board there? Anything that you got wrong? No. Now we're going on to book B, worksheet 1. We're going to do the odd numbers now. Okay. Number 1 is going to be 2 plus 8 divided by 2. So division first. According to Bodmas, it's division and it's addition. So it's going to be 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. Number 3. But 18 minus 12 divided by 6. So it's going to be 18. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 18 minus 2 is 16. Number 5. It's going to be 20 minus 15 divided by 3. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. 20 minus 5 is? Do you agree with that? Number 7. We got 20 plus 6 divided by 2. According to Bodmas, is division and addition. So division first. So it's going to be 20 plus 6 divided by 2 is? 20 plus 3 is? 23. Number 9. 8 minus 12 divided by 4. What must be done first? Division. So it's 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. Number 11. 6 plus 2 times 3. Again, according to Bodmas, multiplication first. Then will be 6 plus. What's 2 times 3? 6. Which gives you an answer of 12. 13. 8 minus 2 times 3. Again, according to Bodmas, you got multiplication and subtraction in the sum. Multiplication first. So 2 times 3 is 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. Number 15. 6 times 12 minus 6 is multiplication and subtraction in the sum. Sorry?
Number 15.
6 times 12 and then 72 and then minus 6.
So what did she say now?
Oh, sorry.
Okay, so there's multiplication and subtraction in the sum. Going to Bodmas, multiplication first. You see, I'm not putting no bracket in the sum. Do you see me put a bracket if the bracket is not given? No. I don't do that. Okay? The step I'm going to do, I underline as I'm doing it. Okay? By putting a bracket around the sum, you're changing the sum. Okay? So 6 times 12 is? Minus 6. What's 72 minus 6? Let's look at number 17. 2 times 7 plus 3 times 8. So, is multiplication and addition. Multiplication first. 2 times 14 is? And 2 times 7 is? 14. 3 times 8 is? 24. 14 plus 24? 38. Okay. Last two. Number 19. Again, according to Bodmas.
Your attention, please. Iko Naruka and Grace Mumia, can you please report to the office? Iko Naruka and Grace Mumia, please report to the office.
According to Bodmas, brackets first. So it's going to give you 7 times 3, which is 21. And then 21, brackets, gives you 14 divided by 2, which is? For homework, I would like you guys to do Book B, Worksheet 1, even numbers. But go, please do your homework, okay? Enjoy the rest of your day. Good morning, class.